Welcome to St Gregory's Catholic High School. I'm Ed McGlinchey, the very proud head teacher of this wonderful school community. We pride ourselves on a welcoming and diverse community of families from all backgrounds and faiths. We see it as our role to enable each child to shine, show the gifts that they possess. This starts with ensuring that your child feels safe, happy and part of a special community.
All of our pupils go on to successful pathways when they leave our school, and they are highly sought after by colleges and employers alike.
Learning at St Gregory's is for life and not just to pass examinations. The personal development of our children is as important as the academic successes that they achieve.
We know that the most important judgment we can get is from our pupils. It is they who regard their school as outstanding, and their achievements, no matter how remarkable or small, is what makes me and my team most proud.
Our 10 school charisms guide us in our journey through school. In our faith, charisms are gifts that we believe all people have, and you will hear more about how our pupils develop the gifts they have to be the best possible versions of themselves.
Our school strives to be of service to others, through our words and actions, and through our choices and beliefs. As a young leader, I aspire to be of service by embodying values from the Gospels and giving my time to help out in younger forms and aid supporting pupils in paired maths. Our community depends on everyone working for each other, a key aspect that makes St Gregory's an amazing place to be.
Our community will empower you to challenge injustice and make the right choice while respecting the choices of others.
We get the opportunity to show respect and generosity by helping others, not just in school, but in the wider community.
Pupils feel proud to be part of a supportive and inclusive environment which values and supports all of us to build a better world.
Students at St Gregory's are encouraged to be resilient and to try their best no matter what.
We want for the best of our pupils and to encourage them to flourish as they grow into strong, loving members of society who inspire others through grace and respect. We want our pupils to become the best versions of themselves and to be empowered through our teachings, cultures, and to be proud of who they are.
Inspired by the grace of God, we approach our studies with patience and ambition, leaving a positive footprint and a legacy that we will carry Jesus' teachings into adulthood.
The opportunities we are given at St Gregory's make us optimistic for our futures. We learn new things every day, such as coding in computing, composing in music, and cooking in food tech.
Respect is an integral value at St Gregory's. It is a very important aspect to our community, and teachers and students around the school enable us to have a voice and communicate with them in times of need. Being comfortable to speak openly about our ideas in the young leadership team helps us to flourish in school life and outside life and unites us as a family.
We embody the values and characteristics of being a young leader through making everyone comfortable with the presence of our leadership team. They inspire us to build a community based on love and respect, therefore pushing our students to live up to their potentials.
I feel that as a student body, our voices are heard and, more importantly, actioned upon. The staff devote their career to the benefit of our future. They empower us and give us space to grow into whatever we set our eyes on. We each have a method to be ourselves and to shine.
Our motto is one family inspired to learn, and this is how we live our time at the school, supporting each other like a family through challenges and personal development, but also celebrating each other's talents and inspiring each other to maximise our capabilities.
They absolutely love it. They're so at ease, coming to school, they're happy, they're content, they know where to go for support, they've got the brilliant teachers.
So staff come over and deliver lessons for our children. Our children come over to the school on a regular basis to watch shows, to take part in lessons, to use the specialist equipment that we don't have at St Vincent's.
When I speak to colleges and employers, they tell me it is the character and personalities of our pupils that make them stand out. Respectful and positive relationships between our pupils and staff, alongside a very strong partnership with our parents and carers, are at the core of our success.
We are proud that St Gregory's is the best attended school in Warrington, and this demonstrates how much our pupils love coming to school.
Ultimately, our pupils are inspired to go out and leave a positive footprint in our world, and whether that be through supporting local charitable causes or studying medicine or engineering, at Oxford and Cambridge, as St Gregory's pupil is one that will make a positive change